like to show the dance of life, the glory of the creature, and its energy. I feel a real rapport with my subjects, with my friends, and and I feel like we really do have this heartfelt camaraderie, and I have a real passion for their welfare.
Just from observing you, think that this really makes you tick. Is this what makes you happy in life, or what is it that really gets you going?
This is really it. I feel like, I guess since I was about 25 or so, I felt like there was something I was supposed to be doing, and something bigger than me, but I didn't quite know what it was, but it was, and once I found this, I knew. It sort of encompassed everything, because I feel such a need to give. It gives back to people. When I know people feel relaxed by my photography or the comments you make, it's a real reward in itself. It wouldn't be as rewarding if I wasn't sharing it with other people.
Right.
So to be able to give that back, but also to make a voice for the creatures, and just to show people what's out there, so that they know when they're not thinking about it, maybe when they're going from point A to point B, or when the next super mall is going up, and maybe they think about the environment a little bit more.
Absolutely. It shows how valuable life is. Well, and you can be a voice for nature and for those animals, because I mean, we all know what the endangered species list is about. I mean, we want to bring nature back desperately.
And we can live cohesively. I'm not an extremist or anything like that. I believe in everybody
You have hope?
can be.
Are you bringing a voice of hope?
Yeah!
I hope so. How refreshing is that? Wow.
That's true. And we need that. We
Don't
need
we?
that. Absolutely.
We do.
In fact, you're contagious in a good way. And really a lot of action shots. I'm really surprised that you can catch some of these things, like the butterfly in flight, and the birds.
It's called patience. You have to wait for it.
As I lay beside you, inside you, upon you, below you, I feel you echo my knowing, your love ethereal and strong. Where words so often miss the mark, you allow love to take form. Kisses of rain from your sky dance on my lips with their passion for life. You make me laugh as you tickle me with your dewy grasp beneath me. You hold me close with your branches as I rest my head against your tree. Poetry and love songs spill from the mouths of your birds, and you fill my spirit with joy. You caress my cheek with your breeze, and you cloak me in your sun to keep me warm. And though love is formless, your love expressions take form. And as I make my pictures of you, you gently make your love through me.